Meaning of filet.
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 Filet. Filet refers to a boneless piece of meat or fish that has been sliced or cut away from the animal's bones. The term is often used in cooking to refer to a specific type of cut that is highly valued for its tenderness and flavor. Fillets are typically prepared by removing the bones and any excess fat or skin, and then cooking the meat in a variety of ways, such as grilling, broiling, or sautéing. The result is a flavorful and tender piece of meat or fish that is prized by chefs and food enthusiasts alike.